Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am so far down the American Girl rabbit hole, which means I've been buying and sewing for American Girl dolls. I have collabs coming up. I can't wait to show to you. And the ladies I am doing these collabs with are, eBay's finest.
PayPal's fine. I mean, PayPal, eBay, YouTube's finest.
YouTube's finest. And you will, you know what, I'm going to save, well, no, I'm not. I was going to say, you know me, I'm always saving. I save everything. I save boxes, and I am a reuse, recycle, pre-use, or pre-cycle kind of person. This was on eBay. I'll tell you what, I've been finding, the truth is, the best deals on eBay. And I do not mind a pre-loved doll. In fact, I kind of like pre-loved dolls. So I always think about the child that might have had it. This doll here was on auction. Oh, that's an ugly job on those nails, but I'll bet we can get that off. She was on auction, and I got her for, was it less than 20? Do you remember?
I do not.
This is Emerson. She is a Wellie wisher. She needs her hair brushed and a bath, and obviously this fingernail polish off. I had bought these at a garage sale, and I thought they might, oh look, that one's even got a hanger. How about that? I thought these might fit a Wellie wisher. I'm betting they came off of a porcelain doll. That's a little tight. I am not going to bend her arms. Nope, not going to do it. I'm not ruining. When you put pants on that are too tight and you're shoving and shoving and you get to about here and those pants are real tight, what you're going to do is you're going to pop that seal on that leg, and that's why you see loose limbs. Same things on the arms. If you cram arms into an outfit, it's not worth it because you're going to ruin your doll. Let's see if this one might fit. That'll fit another doll. It's not like I don't have dolls around here for them. Okay, let's put this arm down. I think this one might go. Let's see. Ooh, those are tight cuffs though. Maybe not. Those are tight cuffs. Well, isn't that a shame? I don't think that's gonna work. Doggone it.
Maybe you cut the
little squish. I'm not going to cut it. It'll ruin the dress if I do. What I might do is wait for a warmer day where this is more pliable, but I'm not going to push that. Okay, 2 out of 3 are a no. This one's old. Oh, no, it's not. It's yellow. Okay, it's yellow to start with. No, it's not. So we're going to put a little, give this girl a hair. I'll start with the metal comb, and I'll comb out her hair, and then she'll get up. When I do my nails again, when I take that off, because you can't take fingernail polish off a doll if your nails are looking good, because it'll ruin them, you know, your own nails, and so I usually do it at the same time. Oh, this looks like it might be a go. Okay, it's going over the hand here. Oh, that might be too tight. These American Girl dolls are broad-shouldered. I don't know why, but they are. I'll tell you that a lot of the older Pleasant company look like football players. Oh, look at her cute dress. I got this at a garage sale for $1. I paid $1 each, and look at that. She has a little dress. That's quite cute for Easter or whatever. So let's get her fixed up. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Stay tuned to see my little Emerson all cleaned up and in a different outfit. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.